Hi, welcome back. Finally, we are doing our first travelogue, doing it for the very first time. We'll learn the tricks of doing a better storytelling. First tour, luckily, is that's my favorite destination. This is Kumaon in Uttarakhand. I call it Uttarakhand, otherwise the state name is Uttarakhand. The distance from here is 265 kilometers, which we'll cover in around 7 hours. We are traveling in that tempo, traveler. 4 of us are already here, and you know me, but let me just introduce you.
Hi, Satish Yadav. I'm into real estate.
Okay, yeah. Perfect.
Hi, good morning. This is Sachet. I work in a biotechnology marketing company.
Perfect.
Hi, Bhanu here. I work in IT sector in a startup.
And Bhanu is the youngest one. तो फाइनली हम गजरौला पहुंच गए हैं। गाज़ियाबाद में बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक था, इससे काफ़ी टाइम ख़राब हो गया। स्टिल 180 किलोमीटर्स टू गो, काफ़ी टाइम लग जाएगा। गजरौला इज़ बेसिकली ऑलमोस्ट मिडवे इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग टू उत्तराखंड। 6 o'clock. It's been raining throughout the night. -1 was the temperature, and we are waiting for the rain to stop, और उसके बाद फिर ride शुरू करते हैं. So in the night we reached pretty late. We got stuck in the traffic. There was rain and construction on the highway. The tip to travel here is, जब तक हाईवे बन रहा है, don't take the road, or start really very early to beat the regular traffic, or you can take a train. So finally we are ready for the ride. पूरी रात से बारिश हो रहा है. Now it has been stopped and we are ready to roll. We just assembled our bikes and ride is about 100 kilometers, and let's see how weather behaves, and we'll try and finish it. It's been raining, so I have not been using any cameras. I'm just recording on the phone, and we are about to start. So we have done 22 kilometers और हम पिछले 10 किलोमीटर से climb कर रहे हैं. Weather is fantastic, you can see that. Clouds are coming in and going. And next stop is Gaga, where we'll have break and chai. So 3 of us are already here. We are waiting for rest of them to come, and then we'll start again. So I'm climbing for the last 12 kilometers, and average gradient is around 5%, and right now I'm at 9%, and it's drizzling and it's beautiful. Slight haze, कभी drizzle आता है, कभी निकल जाता है, and it's beautiful. It's very pretty right now. So we have reached official pit stop, which is first pit stop. We are having chai here and waiting rest of the riders to come. This is the highest point in this route before Nainital, and once we reach Nainital, Nainital will be the highest point. Nainital is about 22 kilometers from here, and we will be reaching there in about another 1.5 hours.
जानलेवा क्लाइंब बट enjoyable. Good weather.
कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप?
Awesome.
कितना awesome?
बहुत awesome.
अब सच बताओ.
अब ज़्यादा नहीं बोलते. We have done 50 kilometers and we are at our lunch spot. We are waiting for a couple of more riders to reach, and then we'll start lunch, and then we'll start our rest of the ride, which is around 25 kilometers more. We will not be able to do our 100 kilometers because of the rain.
Good morning. We are in day 3, and yesterday ride was fantastic, and though it was raining throughout the night, and when we got up in the morning it was drizzling, and after breakfast we assembled the bike and started riding. Throughout the ride it was misty, super cold, and raining in patches. So first half was like it was freezing cold and fingers are getting numb, and we were not able to apply brakes properly. So we had to take a couple of longish breaks because it was drizzling and because of the cold. And though we were layered in, like, I was wearing 4 layers with inner gloves and winter gloves, and in shoes as well I have like 2 socks and a rain cover. When we climbed up to Gagar, and then there was a descent of 13 kilometers, and we went straight down 13 kilometers, and it was freezing, like we were not able to apply brakes. Then all of us decided not to go further ahead because we lost a lot of time in waiting, and sometimes it was drizzling, so we had to stop. And then finally, when we decided not to go further ahead to Nainital, and we decided to turn back, so we took a little longer loop to get back. We got a little bad patch as well, and overall it was a fantastic experience. Kumaon never disappoints you. It always give you a real challenge to finish the rides. So we did fairly well, did 82 kilometers yesterday. Roads were fantastic, weather was very nice, atmosphere was really nice, and clean, no traffic. One of the best destinations, I would say, to ride in India. So today we are going to ride for 2-3 hours, and then we'll pack our bikes and start our journey way back home. Overall it was a fantastic tour. We had fun. Riding in Kumaon Hills is always gives you a new challenge. So yesterday's challenge was to fight the weather condition, and once you are in Himalayas or in mountains, you realize that you can't be bigger than them. You're very tiny in front of the nature. And we will see you in our next episode with some new routes. So just a quick one on how to reach Kumaon. Kumaon is around 250 kilometers from Delhi. From Delhi you can board trains. There are overnight trains, there are early morning trains, and you can drive down as well. So right now driving down is little hectic because of the new highway getting constructed, and if you leave really early in the morning from Delhi, you can reach there well in time and you can beat the traffic on en route. But right now I would say train would be a very good option to travel, because it leaves early in the morning and you will be in Kathgodam, which is last railway station on this route. You will reach there by 12 o'clock, and then you can taxis are available, and then you can board taxi and reach to the destination. There are a couple of few good destinations, like Mukteshwar is one of them, and then you can get good riding routes around Mukteshwar. Hope you like this episode, and if you want us to cover more destinations or some riding routes, just let us know. We will try and cover those routes. If you have any technical questions, you want to ask something, you can write down below in the comment section. We'll get back to you. So we will see you in next episode. Hope you like this one, and please do comment, do like, share, subscribe. Um, Thank you so much, and ride safe, be visible on the road. We will see you in the next episode. Take care.
आता नहीं है बुलाया था तो